Hello everyone. In this video I am going to teach you how to close a game on the PlayStation 5 without having to turn off the console. I am totally sure that on some occasion it has happened to you that one of the games you are playing suddenly freezes, you can't do anything, you can't act with the controller and therefore you have to turn off the console because it doesn't work. Reacts and you cannot continue. It has happened to me personally more than once in Call of Duty Warzone, when for example a game ends and the other has to start and you are in the pre-game menu. It has also happened to me many times when trying to change the group members. In general, it may be that many times the game is blocked and the controller does not react at all and you cannot go forward or backward because there are people who believe that when something like this happens, the quickest thing is to turn off the console and then turn it back on. But on the PlayStation 5 we have a method to only close the game we are playing and return directly to the main menu to be able to reopen it, without having to turn off the console completely. To do this, once we are in any menu and even if the game has been blocked, this will always work. We press the DualSense PlayStation button once, the one between the two joysticks. Once we press that button, this submenu opens at the bottom of the console menu in which we have to go down and look for the icon of the game we are playing, in this case where it puts a selector and, as you can see, the icon appears. From Call of Duty Warzone, we press X and as you can see, another menu opens up. Here in this menu we have to reselect the game we are playing and that has been blocked at this moment. Because in this case we want to close Call of Duty Warzone, we search for it, we press the X again. And as you see below here we have the option to close the game. At this moment if we want to simply exit the game without having to turn off the console, we click on Close Game and as you will see at this moment the console returns to the main menu. Therefore, if it is blocked and we cannot do anything, there is no need to turn off the console, we can return to the main menu by closing the game and once we are here, simply click on it again and we will re-enter. Well guys, this is where the video ends. It is very simple. It is a very basic process but there are still people who did not know that this can be done. If it has been useful to you, as always, do not forget to leave me a good like as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. For my part, nothing more. As always, a pleasure and until the next video.